Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use the monetization functionality with the Learndash Dashboard. And first of all, in this website, we already have 3 instructor. And for the plugin point of view, we have autocomplete WooCommerce order just to for the testing purpose. We have Learndash Dashboard, Learndash LMS plugin is active, Learndash WooCommerce integration is active, and WooCommerce is active. So these are the required plugin sets which need to be active for this complete flow. And for the WooCommerce point of view, we have enabled as a check payment as a testing payment gateway. And for the Learndash Dashboard specific setting, if you go to the Learndash Dashboard, we have to make sure monetization functionality is enabled. So this need to be enabled. You can set your commission structure there 70-30, and earning chart is enabled. Fees reduction is disabled at present, and for the commission report, we have these 3 logs earlier. We are going to test further, so I will show you how a new order get processed and how it is going to reflect here. Okay, so these are the 2 elements which need to be enabled for the monetization functionality to get work. And now I'm going to switch back to a instructor, going to the all users and going to the instructor. Okay, and now I'm going to switch to this user, VOS, and now on my dashboard page. So as a instructor, I do not have to go to the back end to create the courses. I can do it from the front end. I'm going to create a new course. To create course, I'm going to fill these values here. Just using Laura Epsom to add some placeholder there. So the course title is included. Now I'm going to include the featured image for that purpose. Let me upload a new image. And after that one, I have to include some description for the course content. Okay, some description is added, and if you want to select some category, that's okay. Tag, that's not mandatory, you can do that later on. For the cover image point of view, you can go select a cover image for that. Cover image is more theme specific. These options will not be available with your theme if you are not using Rain or BuddyBoss platform. So select, submit. So this is the primary structure for the course, and right now I have just populated the first page. It is not going to create a product yet. Now I'm going to the builder sections and going to create a section first. Add new sections and going to add a new lesson. Lesson A1. A2. Okay, I'm just moving forward with these 2 lessons. And we have 1 section and 2 lessons created here. And next going to the settings option, where we are going to include how we are planning to sell this course. And to sell any course using WooCommerce, we have to make sure the product what you have selected is marked as a closed one. And I'm setting a pricing for that one. Suppose that this price is $199. For the button URL, we have to leave that empty, and that will be auto generated as a course once we are going to publish this one. For the lesson prerequisites, like if you want to include, you can go with that one, or by default you can leave them. For the course progression, that might be linear or the free form. I'm selecting the free form, and by default I'm going with the default layout or the Udemy layout, that is theme specific, and update. So with this functionality is a part of the Learndash dashboard. So once you publish a closed course, it will automatically generate a product with using the same description and the featured image what we have used as a course content. Like featured image is used there, title is used, and the description, course description, is used to create this product. And now you can see that vendors, this person is also included as a author of this product. So if you are using any multi-vendor plugin, that will be auto detected and mapped as a vendor. So for this course, everything is up and running. So this course is ready for selling purpose. And if I want to view this course, so this course has a featured image, cover image, description, course content is also ready, and instructor is also mapped with that one. And next I'm going to check as a site admin how it reflects. Earlier this I was as an instructor, now I'm as a site admin to check what has been done in the background when we created a course. So first of all, I'm going to check at a course level, edit a course, and going to check this product, edit this product. Okay, at a course level, if you are going to check inside the setting, we have a button URL linked to this single product what we have created. And right now, course description is also included. Builder also got the content what we have created from the front end. And for the setting, it is closed. So for the course, everything looks good. Now at a product level, so that is the main functionality what we had talked about. You have a inbuilt integration with the WooCommerce, so your instructor do not have to create a product or link anything which course it is linked with this product. So if you go to the product level, now you can see that the regular price is included, course is also linked there, okay, and the product data is mapped as a course. So as an instructor, they do not have any access to the backend, and that's why they do not have to make any changes at a product level. So course is also selected, course is also linked. So when someone is buying this product, they will get the access on this Learndash course. Now I'm going to switch to a subscriber account to make sure this functionality is completely working. So I'm going to search any random customer and going to switch on that one, view as. Okay, and I have to buy this course. Take this course, and right now I have enabled the functionality where I can make the payment using a default test payment gateway. So I just have to fill the name and the detail. Okay, and when I'm going to place the order, that order will be placed and it will be auto marked as a processing because I have included a custom code snippet there. So as this customer, I have got the access to this course what I have bought, and now I'm going to check on my dashboard. So this view for a student, now I can check inside my courses. I have 2 enrolled courses. Like this is the new course what I have created, and I have got the access on this course. So for as a student point of view, the course which was created by instructor, it is available for a student after making the purchase. So the integration is working fine. Now we have to check what happened in the background for the commission distribution and how that logs inside our system. So now I have switched back to the site admin and going to the backend setting, dashboard. So first of all, as a site admin, you can check all these earning inside the backend log. how it is created, and then I will show you how it is reflected to the front end as an instructor. So first, inside the commission report, as a site admin, you can check there's one more entry, the prices, earning, and the share. Everything is included here. So, but for this instructor specific, I had set 20% commission, and that is reflected here. And now I'm going to check as an instructor point of view. That course was created as a first instructor, this one, and let me switch back to this user profile. So as an instructor, when I'm going to my dashboard, because they do not have any backend access, so they can check inside their earning log. You can see that there's one more entry, and they have got this reference ID. That means this is the order ID for this earning, and this is the price, this is the earning. And for earning wizard, if you go to the dashboard, now you can also see there's a big bump on the log. They have earned this money. And now on my setup, we also have a Dokhan plugin activated here. So Dokhan is also help you to manage your product. Suppose that if you have to add more description to your product, what you are selling, then you can go to the my account page. Dokhan has two versions. That is there is a one free version and there is a one paid version. And for the paid version plugin, or you are getting a front end access for the course. And for the commission distribution, if you are planning to use the Dokhan for the front end, using the Dokhan commission model, you can disable the Learndash Dashboard commission model and then keep using the Dokhan one. There's a one limitation when you are editing product with the Dokhan. You are not able to select product type as a course, because the Dokhan doesn't have any direct integration with Learndash. So you can update the course, update the short description, long description for the product. If you want to change the price, you can also do it from here. Or if you want to include some more detail on the product section, you can also do that from here. By default, what we have done, if you are going to change some more description to your course content, that is also going to update the product. So that is also one way for you to modify the product structure. Okay, so whatever product you have created from Learndash Dashboard, that is also reflected to your Dokhan product listing. I was gone there to show the same thing, but I forgot what I was displaying there. So now you can see that the product I have created, it is also reflected here. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.